hold my spitter. So what you're saying is, we're at this level, but we gotta get to this level.
I'm gonna tell you how to do that on
Free Money Monday.
Business owners need easy access to actionable information to help them grow their businesses. That's what we do for you on Free Money Monday. So how do you get from where you are to where you want to be? Easy. It's a gap analysis. It shows your current income minus your desired income. And they're pretty simple to build. Number one, identify the gap. You're going to take your current income, subtract that from your desired income. Guess what? That's a negative number because you have a gap.
Come on, Lily, don't hate the player, hate the game.
Number two, set the time frame to eliminate that gap. Be realistic, but be aggressive. Next, make a really clear, detailed plan to gain that revenue. Start big. Start with the number of leads that you're going to need. Then work to conversions, and don't forget about retention. Finally, determine the number of monthly sales that are needed. And again, don't forget about attrition. Here's a couple really important tips.
Here's what you do. Make friends with the janitor. They usually have their own bathroom.
Okay.
Just never drink out of his thermos.
Number one, I mentioned this before, but I want to talk more about it. Be realistic. To get more revenue than you've had before, you're going to have to do something that you haven't been doing. Number two, brainstorm. List all potential sources of potential revenue. Increase prices, additional products and services, bundling, upsell, downsell, cross-sell. Think of everything.
And don't believe him if he tells you he loves you.
If you've missed any episodes of Free Money Monday, they're all on YouTube. And if you'd like to schedule a consultation with me, go to CoachJoeAustin.com/appointment. If you've never run a SWOT analysis, you're overdue. And next time I'll teach you how to do it. Until then, God bless.